If you want to link Salesforce with Outlook, then here's what you're going to do. This is achieved using the Salesforce Outlook integration add-in. First, you're going to enable integration. So a Salesforce administrator must enable the integration using the setup or advanced setup. You're going to click on the settings button right here at the top right corner of your screen, and then you're just going to tap or you're going to select open advanced setup. Now from the advanced setup menu, you're going to look for the search bar, which is the quick find right here, and then you're just going to search for Outlook integration and sync. So you're just going to click on that. Now after you click on Outlook integration and sync, you're just going to toggle this one on. So you're going to open let users access Salesforce records from Outlook. So this one you can just choose whatever you want to give your users. You can select the type of Microsoft Azure cloud, which is Azure public cloud or the Azure government cloud. And then after that, you're going to you can also log email messages to Salesforce while composing inbox Outlook integration. So if you want to integrate your inbox to the Salesforce, you're just going to toggle this one on. So you're going to click on edit settings if you cannot toggle it on, and then from here you're just going to set up your Salesforce inbox. So you can just make inbox available to users, and that's it. You can just toggle this one on, and that's it. Your Salesforce, your Outlook will now be linked with your Salesforce account, and that's it. That is how you can integrate Outlook with Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.